3, 2, 1.
In French, what is the meaning of the word vert? The answer is D, green. I'm round, red and spicy, not pepper. What am I? The answer is A, tomato. Which architect created Fallingwater, a house over a waterfall? The answer is A, Frank Lloyd Wright. What classic song does Willie sing during the opening credits to the movie Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom? The answer is C, Anything Goes. What kind of a reaction occurs when a substance reacts quickly with oxygen? The answer is B, combustion reaction. Who is Odysseus' faithful companion in Homer's Odyssey? The answer is D, Argos. What is the name of the compound that forms when silver reacts with chlorine? The answer is A, silver chloride. What is the term used for a mental disorder characterized by a persistent disregard for right and wrong? The answer is A, anxiety disorder. I'm used for protection in many sports, but I'm not a helmet. What am I? The answer is C, knee pad. Where was Carver High School located on the CBS show The White Shadow? The answer is B, South Central Los Angeles, California. Which car brand's logo has a prancing horse? The answer is A, Ferrari. After Marie drives the car into Ray and Deborah's house, why does Ray get so upset when it is repaired? The answer is B, the stripes on the new wallpaper are different. Which of these is defined as the passage of genetic instructions from one generation to the next? The answer is B, heredity. Which river flows through Mumbai, India? The answer is C, Thames. What fruit has an edible skin that can be purple, green, or yellow? The answer is C, lemon. What does the study of pastology focus on? The answer is C, faith. Who is the 8th President of the United States? The answer is D, Martin Van Buren. I have a hoop and a ball, but I don't dunk. What am I? The answer is B, hula hoop user. What was the official language of the Soviet Union? The answer is B, Russian. Which garment is used to cover the lower body in Scotland? The answer is A. Kilt. I'm a small box that powers devices. What am I? The answer is A. Power bank. Which piece is often used for writing and studying? The answer is A. Desk. I'm often green and cut with a knife, but not for cooking. What am I? The answer is A. Money. Each new horizontal row of the periodic table corresponds to the beginning of a new period because a new principal energy level is being filled with what? The answer is B. Electrons. The African Union is a confederation of all African countries except one, which is the only African country that is not a member of the African Union. The answer is B. Morocco. How many times is the name of Santa Claus used in The Night Before Christmas? The answer is C. 0. The Amazon rainforest overlaps with which mountain range? The answer is B. Atlas. Which river flows through the city of Istanbul? The answer is C. Yangtze. Who composed the opera La Bohème? The answer is A. Puccini. What vegetable is known as gourd and can be yellow, white, or green? The answer is A. Pumpkin. Which of these does the most harm to the air? The answer is C. Cutting grass with a gas-powered lawnmower. Quote #54 on the AFI list of 100 memorable movie quotes comes from what 1992 Penny Marshall movie? The answer is B. A League of Their Own. What does the term blood serum refer to? The answer is B. Blood plasma without the clotting proteins. Which of the following was the mascot for Sugar Crisp, a cereal that came out in 1963? The answer is B. Sugar Bear. What is often found in a hot dog but would be kicked out of a sandwich? The answer is B. Mustard. Which of the following is not an irregular polygon? The answer is A. Triangle. How do plants get water and minerals? The answer is A. Absorbed from the soil though the roots. Which molecule stores energy in plants? The answer is C. Carbohydrate. What one-piece character, nicknamed King of Snipers Sojkin, is the cruise marksman? The answer is B. Yuza. What is the popular action-adventure game featuring a cat burglar? The answer is B. Hitman. What is the national dish of Spain? The answer is A. Paella. Jermaine Jackson's second child was named after what season? The answer is C. Autumn. What property of ocean water increases rapidly as the water gets deeper? The answer is A. Pressure. What is the invention known as the wheel within a wheel? The answer is C. Gear. I heal wounds and come in various shapes and sizes. What am I? The answer is A. Bandage. I'm a celestial body that completes a rotation every 24 hours. What am I? The answer is D. Earth. What is a cricket fielder's primary throwing equipment called? The answer is C. Wicket. What is the study of emotion and emotional experience called? The answer is D. Affective psychology. Which wine instrument has a reed and is also known as an autodocaxia? The answer is A. English horn. Who designed the first little black dress?